Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT for the write short stories. So let's chat with ChatGPT and tell it to write a short story real quick. Alright, so let's say I open with ChatGPT. Before I do, I start with refresh and if I say I'm gonna write a short story about a little dog that got lost in the woods. If I say the dog's name is Freddy. If I say need to find the way back home through the city, and along the way he will encounter many obstacle things, but eventually we will find his way home. All right, here we go. See what it's come out with ChatGPT. Here, once upon a time, there was a little dog named Freddy. I mentioned the name, who loved to explore the world around him. One day, while out walk with his owner, Freddy spotted a squirrel and took off running after it. He chased the squirrel deep into the wood, but when he finally caught up, he realized that he had lost sight of his owner and had no idea how to get back home. Freddy was frightened, alone, and lost in the vast wilderness. And here is a story. And after that, Freddy ran out toward the city, his heart pounding with excitement. He saw his owner in the distance, calling him name. Freddy ran toward him, jumping into his arms. His owner hugged him tightly, relieved to have found him. And from that day on, Freddy never ventured too far from home. He knew that the world was a big and scary place, but he also knew that he was strong and brave enough to find his way back home, no matter what obstacles he encountered along the way. Alright, so there you guys, another great stories from ChatGPT. So it's about being creative and things of that. So if you're really creative person, I think you can do a lot with ChatGPT, especially like if you wanted to write short stories and it's easy and all that good stuff. But anyway guys, you guys should definitely try ChatGPT from OpenAI. At the moment it is free because they are trying to improve the system, so with more people giving in a try, it will become more better and better. And at the moment it is free to use. I don't know when they will stop and start charging people, but as of right now free to use. So go check it out. And if we try with the different story. If I say write short stories about two little boys. If I say struggle with food, and here ChatGPT give us the answer. Once upon a time there were two little boys named, I didn't mention the name, but ChatGPT also create two names for me, Tom and Jerry, who live in a small village. They came from a poor family and struggled to find enough food to eat every day. Every morning their mother would wake up early to search for food in the forest, bring back berries, nuts and fruits for the boys to eat, but it was never enough to fill their empty stomach. So here is a story. And yeah, in the last you can see, from that day on, Tom and Jerry knew that they were always a way to find food, even in the shortest of time. They had learned that something all you need in a little bit of luck and a friendly bear to guide you in right direction. Here is a story about two boys, and here you can see there is no title. If you want to title the story, so you can say give me title above. I just say the title, Tom and Jerry Hunger Adventure, Finding Food in the Forest. Here you can see the title, and in top if I scroll you can find the short story here. So it's with ChatGPT to write short stories, or you can write the story, so it's like the many pages with ChatGPT. Alright, ChatGPT for storytelling, story writing, and some of the prompts that you can use in order to get some more information out of it. We can pretty much just keep going on and on about whatever story you want. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.